If your goal eventually is to have somebody that runs your cleaning business for you, where you're not that involved in the day-to-day, then there is one thing that you need above anything else, and that is systems. When we talk about systems, let's make it really simple. A system is nothing more than a means of achieving a consistent result. That is it. It is just about the outcome. How do we get a consistent outcome? What's the system that gives you that consistent result? So what we need to understand is, first of all, we need to understand, what are we aiming for? What kind of cleaning company do we want? If we want a high profit, low stress cleaning company that can run without you, it's exactly what we coach in the Cleanup Academy, how to have that exact type of cleaning company. If that's what you want, then we need to understand top level, what do we want, and also what numbers, what outcomes, what results. Remember, system, achieving a consistent result. What results do we need to see across all areas of the business? So that might be marketing, sales, that could be recruitment, it could be your operations. Then from there, all we want to do is we want to design a system that's going to give us the consistent result. Now, that might change over time, industry changes and things outside the industry and all sorts of stuff. But that's really what we're looking to do. So if your goal is to have a cleaning company that is high profit, low stress, can run without you, we have to rely on systems. Systems are going to be the thing that means you can bring in other people and they can achieve that consistent result because the system works. Systems mean that you can sell that cleaning company for what it's truly worth, or bring in that manager, or franchise it, whatever you want. But it's all on the back of systems. Regardless of what you're trying to do, I promise you, high profit, low stress, cleaning company that can run without you, the answer is systems.